In this tutorial, we will be looking at the Solicitors Regulation Authority, or SRA, Principles, Code of Conduct for Solicitors, RELs, that's Registered European Lawyers, and RFLs, or Registered Foreign Lawyers, and how it applies in the context of civil litigation. There are 7 SRA principles which represent the fundamental tenets of ethical behaviour that the SRA expects of those it regulates. The 7 principles are as follows. You must act 1. In a way that upholds the constitutional principle of the rule of law and the proper administration of justice. 2. In a way that upholds public trust and confidence in the solicitor's profession and in legal services provided by authorised persons. 3. With independence. 4. With honesty. 5. With integrity. 6. In a way that encourages equality, diversity and inclusion. 7. In the best interests of each client. Where 2 or more of the principles come into conflict, those which safeguard the wider public interest, such as the rule of law and public confidence in a trustworthy solicitor's profession, and a safe and effective market for regulated legal services, take precedence over an individual client's interests. Where relevant, you should inform your client of the circumstances in which your duty to the court and other professional obligations will outweigh your duty to them. The SRA has 2 codes of conduct. 1. The Code of Conduct for Solicitors, RELs and RFLs. And 2. The SRA Code of Conduct for firms. This tutorial will deal with the former, which I will refer to as the Code from now on.